You want to know what the saddest thing is? We live in a world of hypocrites. People wish for your failure, but smile in front of you as if they truly love you. If I had to live my life over again, I wouldn't change a thing, except I'd open my eyes a little more. Sometimes my excessive kindness causes me problems. Too kind. Too naive. I've learned that it's not my job to fix what I didn't break. I used to fear losing people, but now I fear losing my time. If I live according to others' opinions, I'll never become the person I'm meant to be. Life is too short. So, I enjoy each day. I laugh whenever I can. I cry only when necessary. And I never let anyone bring me down. One value I never want to lose is my dignity. I've realized that as I grow, there will be fewer people around me. A mature mind doesn't tolerate falsehood in others. It doesn't matter who I lose, as long as I don't lose myself. I'm fine with that.